This book is called Rainforest. It's by Sarah Lavetti. Many animals, plants, and trees are found in rainforests. Some are beautiful, some are strange. Amazing animals. Bright green lizards called geckos live in the rainforest. They have sticky toe pads, right down here, to help them hold on tight as they climb up tall rainforest trees. Hot and wet. Tropical rainforests are found in hot parts of the world. It rains most days in these forests. The gecko gobbles up insects. Tall trees. Animals live in every part of the rainforest, from the forest floor to the top of the trees. Only a few, such as birds, can reach the tallest trees. High and low. The scarlet macaw swoops up to the sunny treetops to build its nest. Larger animals make homes on the forest floor. This is a macaw bird. The macaw has beautiful, bright feathers. Reminds me of a rainbow. Wobble wobble. People who study rainforest animals use wobbly rope bridges to cross the treetops. This is a rope where you have to walk. You have to put your feet right in the middle, one in front of the other, to get all the way to the other side. There's a person right there. Can you see it? Can you see that person walking? Bug alert! The rainforest buzzes with insects. Some, like ants, help clean up the rainforest by eating dead leaves and animals. Tiny killers. Hundreds of army ants march together, stinging anything in their way. These tiny crawlers can sting a snake to death. They have a deadly sting. Here's his body, his head, and then his body goes back that way. Important insects. Dragonflies spread seeds when they land on flowers, and the seeds grow into new plants. So do you think a dragonfly is important in a rainforest? Absolutely. Treehouse. Monkeys live high up in the trees. They make a lot of noise, calling out to each other as they leap about. Hang on! Spider monkeys have strong nails to help them swing between branches. They grab tasty fruit with their long arms as they swing from tree to tree. They are fantastic climbers. Look at his cute little face. Oh, he's adorable. Upside down. Sloths sleep hanging upside down from the rainforest trees. I could never sleep hanging upside down, could you? Sloths do. In the air. During the day, colorful birds glide through the treetops and peck at fruit. At night, bats flap and swoop about in the dark. Beaky eater. This toucan bird, open it so you can see him. This toucan makes its home in small holes in rainforest trees. Its tough beak is perfect for breaking open hard nuts. Very bright beak, but it's also very, very strong. Bloodsucker. The vampire bats use their sharp teeth to bite animals. Then they slurp up their blood. Yuck. Bat is another creature who hangs upside down like a sloth does when they're sleeping. Splash! Long winding rivers flow through rainforests. These are home to many animals, such as capybaras. Water home. Capybaras graze on grass that grow at the edge of rivers. If capybaras are in danger, they just swim into the river using their webbed feet. This is very interesting that he's got webbed feet, but he also has fur. Did you know, here comes a gross fun fact, boys and girls. Did you know capybaras eat their own poop? Gross! Snap. Crocodiles rest in river water until they spot a tasty animal to snap up and swallow. Oh, looks like a young one. Little crocodile. Plant world. Plants and flowers grow everywhere in the rainforest. Insects land on them, and frogs even live in them. Home sweet home. Frogs live inside brightly colored plants called bromeliads. The plant's big leaves fill up with rainwater to make a perfect swimming pool for rainforest tree frogs. He's cute. Hungry plant. The pitcher plant traps small animals and insects before eating them up. Tree frogs lay eggs in plants. Danger. Rainforest animals work hard to stay alive and find food. Some are fierce hunters, others use color to stay safe. Deadly. You see this snake down here? The boa constrictor snake slides along the rainforest floor and trees hunting for food. When it finds a victim to eat, it squeezes it to death before swallowing it whole. He uses his body and he squeezes it until it can't breathe and it dies. Then he eats it. I'm warning you. Oh, we learned about this before, didn't we? The bright markings on its wings warn enemies that this butterfly is poisonous. Isn't that interesting how some animals use their bright, bright colors? I think we learned about that with the blue, the poison dart frog. This snake is as long as 2 grown-ups. Wow. Our home. Local people have lived in the rainforests for many years. They live in houses that they have built, living here safely. Rainforest people know which plants and animals can be harmful and which are safe to eat. They also look after the rainforest. We've got little feathers. Rainforest people make clothes from plants and feathers that they find. Pretty good. This pretty pink plant is used to make medicine. Wow. And that is the end of Rainforest.